the journey of unifying nature's evolution. The journey is upon us. The journey is us. We are presently experiencing the time where the unification of nature's naturalness is being restored. She's what we call evolving because it is something that many generations have yet to ever see. In truth and full truth, it is only evolving to us because it is something that we have been conditioned away from, conditioned out of. This is just June. This is Justice June. We are going to experience the full unification of nature's beauty, of nature's rise into her fullness in real time. Welcome to Just June. What a time. What a time. What a time it is to be alive. And if you know, you know. And well, if you don't, you will soon find out. Peace and love, my beautiful beings. This is Little Pieces of Me, a sanctuary of peace for Alethea's truth to peace purposefully in power. Welcome to the land of paradise, empowered by freedom. Until next time, I love you. I love you. I love you.